If you've ever wanted to mix Chicago pride with questionable life choices, this is your game. This is the Chicago Handshake drinking card game from Transit Tees. It's the only drinking card game where winning is also losing, because the prize is a Chicago Handshake. Now that's one tall boy of local beer and a shot of Jeppson Malört. Yep, it's both an honor and a punishment. So grab your friends, your drinks, and maybe some antacid, and let's learn to play. Okay, inside the box, 73 yellow event cards, 19 blue persistent cards, 11 red category cards, and 1 bartender card. You'll also need to bring a tall boy of your favorite local brew, a bottle of Chicago's most notorious liqueur, Jeppson Malört, and something you're happy to sip while you're playing. Now here's the goal. At the end of the game, whoever has the most tokens has to drink the Chicago Handshake.
Is that winning or losing? Yes.
Step 1, everybody has a drink in hand before we start. Step 2, put that tall boy and Malört shot right in the middle of the table so everyone knows exactly what's at stake. Step 3, shuffle the deck, place it in the middle, leave some space for a discard pile and a persistent card pile. Step 4, give each player some space in front of them for their own cards. And who's the bartender? Who lives closest to where you're playing? Now if that's a tie, settle it with rock, paper, and scissors. The bartender starts by drawing the top card and doing what it says. Then play moves clockwise. Now once you've resolved your card, it'll either go into the discard pile, go into your token pile, or become a persistent card that stays in play. Now the game ends in 2 ways. 1, if a player collects 7 or more tokens. 2, if the last called card is drawn. When that happens, finish the round and the game ends when it's back to that player's turn. Now at the end, the player with the most tokens drinks the Chicago Handshake. And if it's a tie, both drink. The bartender isn't just first to draw. They actually run the game. Now they can make the final call in rule disputes, they can hand out on-the-house drinks at any time, and they might get replaced when certain cards say so. A drink is about a 1-second sip of whatever you're sipping. Tokens are printed on the card, so keep them faced up so everyone can see your progress towards your doom. There are 3 types of cards. Event cards, which follow the instructions. Could be a challenge, this could be a question, or just pure luck, good or bad. Persistent cards, new rules that stick around. Some affect just you, some affect everyone. Normally, you can only have 1 personal and 1 table-wide persistent card active. And category cards, starting with the player who drew it, everyone takes a turn, naming something that fits that category. Pause too long, get it wrong, take the penalty. If you want to crank things up, let the bartender invent a new table rule while they're in charge. You can also take out the last call card for marathon games, allow multiple persistent cards per player, or lower the token goal. For larger groups, the game doesn't take all night. Now when it's over, it's time. The winner raises that tall boy, downs a shot of Malört, and enjoys the taste of victory and regret.
So if you love games, beer, a little bit of suffering, get the Chicago Handshake card game from Transit Tees, and may the most unfortunate player win.